Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the most anticipated drone release of 2024, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This latest addition to the DJI family promises groundbreaking upgrades that are set to redefine what we expect from compact drones. Whether you're an avid drone enthusiast, a content creator, or a professional filmmaker, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the game changer. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its sleek, portable design. DJI has always been known for producing highly portable drones, but this time they've gone above and beyond. With its foldable arms, the Mini 5 Pro can collapse into an ultra-compact form, fitting easily into most backpacks or small camera bags. This portability is a huge advantage for those constantly on the move, like travel vloggers, adventure photographers, or even families who want to document vacations. DJI knows this all too well, which is why they're expected to incorporate advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance technology into the Mini 5 Pro. This new model is rumored to have sensors that cover all sides: front, rear, top, bottom, and sides. With this kind of comprehensive awareness, the Mini 5 Pro will be able to detect obstacles in all directions and navigate safely around them. As always, the camera is a key feature when considering a new drone, and the Mini 5 Pro does not disappoint in this department. For videographers, this is where things get really exciting. Rumors are swirling that the Mini 5 Pro will feature 5K video recording capability, an upgrade that elevates it above most drones in its category. This will allow for greater flexibility in post-production, whether you're cropping footage or color grading for a cinematic effect. It's rumored that the MasterShots feature, which debuted in previous models, will be further refined for the Mini 5 Pro. This mode automatically plans and executes complex flight patterns, making it easier than ever to capture professional-looking footage with just a few taps on the controller. Battery life is another critical factor for drone users, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer an extended flight time compared to previous models. Rumors suggest that it could have a flight time of around 40 to 45 minutes, depending on conditions. A powerful drone like the DJI Mini 5 Pro deserves an equally impressive controller, and the new DJI RC1 remote is expected to deliver just that. The RC1 is rumored to feature a built-in screen that displays real-time footage and telemetry, meaning you won't have to rely on your smartphone for controlling the drone. While there's no official release date just yet, sources suggest that the drone could be launched in mid to late 2024, possibly during DJI's summer announcement window. As for pricing, we expect the DJI Mini 5 Pro to fall somewhere between $699 to $999, depending on the variant and extra features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification.